Hey, what's up, free coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the free coin. What's up? Price is okay on the free coin in this time. I will show you, my friends. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Anyways, it is time. The price change occurred in the free coin as positive. The change is as positive. As you know, it is the last day after June, so that is why I think the price change is positive, my friends. Anyways, before starting this video and before discuss more details about your free coin, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. At this time, the latest price of the free coin is 0.000002 USD dollar. That is the current price of the free coin, my friends. Oh my godness. Absolutely, the price of free coin is very low. And the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, oil supply of the free, I think the supply of the free coin is very high. Oh my goodness, you can see the changes of the free coin is positive, still negative, my friends. The changes of the free coin, but don't worry, that they will start positive jump, my friends. Don't worry about that, my friends. So, my friends, my personal advice for all of you is that please invest more and more in the free coin, my friends. Buy more and more. That is my advice for all of you. Do buy more and more free coin before July month. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.